And here we are, we put the little candy boxes out. Let's see how they look on the desk, shall we? All right. Looks like it belongs there, don't it? Oh, look at all the goodies. Not my best work, but not the worst either. All right, that's one. Here's number two. Yep, and number three. And that's it, folks.